everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to tell you about this JAM exam, right? So JAM, it stands for Joint Admission Test for Masters, right? So from this name only we can understand that those students who are in BSc, that is Bachelor of Science, right, only those students can write this exam, because once they qualify this exam after this BSc they can get admission in MSc, that too in IITs, right? So this exam will be conducted by Indian Institute of Technology, organizing institute for this year, right? So the date they have given, uh, it will start from August 30 onwards, right? So here the student who have done BSc in biotechnology, chemistry, economics, geology, mathematics, statistics and physics can apply for this exam, right? So there will be students after 12th, they will be very much interested in research, that is basic science or master in science, right? And also to do research and to become scientist. For those students, unfortunately, if they didn't get chance in their 12th to get into this IISc or ICERS, right, because they can't clear this JEE advance there. So for them, it is the one more way to enter into those field. Once they complete this 12th, they can easily get into this BSc. There are colleges, they will be like 3 years or 4 years course will be there, and they will get into this BSc from any university. After this BSc, they can write this JAM exam. Once they qualify this JAM, they get directly admissions for in IITs or IISc and also ICERS to do their MSc as well as PhD, right? So, but one thing you should remember that in your BSc, you should be having these only these subjects, that is biotechnology, chemistry, economics, geology, mathematics, mathematical statistics, and physics. Right? Within three subjects will be there in BSc, PCM, PCB, like that, CBZ. One subject you can go for masters, right? So this is some note for you, right? And admission. See what happens if we write this JAM. JAM means we'll get admission for masters, right, in IITs. MSc 2 years course you will get into, or joint MSc PhD course you will be having, MSc PhD dual degree and post document degree programs at Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT. So these many IITs are there, but one thing you should remember, all IITs will not give all these courses. They will be like limited. Some will be like a biology background, some will be physics background, like that. It will be like limited seats will be there, right? And also you can get integrated PhD program, that is 5 years course will be there, like MSc will get, and also PhD 2 plus 3, or sometimes it may go long, but like integrated programs we call, right? Integrated PhD programs at Indian Institute of Science, that is IISc Bangalore, right? So about and the highlight what they have given is online application portal will be available from August 30, 2021. So those who are in BSc final year this year, right, they can appear for this exam. And also those who are in junior, they can come to know about this JAM exam, right? So once they came to know about it, then they can easily prepare for it, right? So JAM 2020 will be conducted online. It is online exam, computer based test, right? And also JAM 2022, only for this subject they can write, that I have told you, biotechnology, chemistry, economics, and etc etc. And also the paper will be like this. First they have MCQ questions, that is multi choice questions, and the second one is multi select questions, right? And the third point is numerical answer type, right? These questions will be there. So these are the important dates you have to remember for this exam. Just take a screenshot. And also if you want to know what all the institutes are there, admitting institutes, result sharing institutes, about exam, if you want to know about exam general information, exam cities, test schedule, pattern of test paper, previous year questions, everything you will get it here. And also how to apply, if you are very interested in applying this JAM exam, you should know this application procedure, data requirement, application fees, photography, signature requirement, and all those things. And also syllabus for all this biotechnology syllabus you will get it here, chemistry, economics, geology, mathematics, right? All these things you will get information here, right? So the link of this website will be given in the description box. There you can go through. JAM online application process will begin from August 30, 2021, that is on Monday. And last date to submit online registration, application submission, and uploading all the documents, that is photo, signature, and all, it will be till October 11th. and admit call will be available from January 4th, and date of exam will be February 13, and announcement of result will be March 2022. Thank you.